Let's go. Oh, there we go. Look at how responsive the gas here is. And for a SUV, there's virtually no body roll. Hello there everyone, welcome back. Today we are driving a 2024 BMW X4 M40i. I want to say a huge thank you to Alex over at BMW of Fairfax, Virginia, for providing me this car. All this information will be in the right hand corner side of the screen, so if you're looking for BMW and the best deal in the area, reach out to him. But let's get her fired up and go take a look outside. I think BMW made an amazing vehicle when they came out with this X4. It kind of encompasses a lot of different vehicles in itself. It's not really an X3, it's not a sedan, it's not a hatchback, it's not just a coupe. It's a mix of all these things. So you're getting a car that handles like a sedan, you're getting a coupe style, along with a great comfy ride and quite decent practicality. Of course, in terms of practicality, the X3 does have some more storage space in the back due to the roof, but this car just looks so much more unique. Let's check out the back seat. So here we have the black Sensatec. It is not the real leather, it is an eco-friendly leather, but it's actually a better choice in my opinion than the real leather, because it's very resistant to wear and it's a much comfier material than the actual leather. So sitting here, I'm 6'2". There's good legroom, good headroom, like I still have some space. We have a black headliner, some reading lights on the side, and I love this ambient lighting with the aluminum trim with the car. It's actually, I think, the carbon trim. We got the rear temperature settings here in the back, some chargers. Let's pull out the armrest. We got our cup holders. And we also have these pockets here. Let's go take a look at the trunk. So the trunk here is actually very spacious. You can put a lot of stuff here. I don't know why some people complain about a lack of storage. There is lots of storage here. You can put plenty of suitcases and you'll be good. Let's go look at the engine bay. So here we have the B58, pumps out 382 horsepower and 369 feet-pound of torque. And it's made it to an 8-speed automatic, also a mild hybrid, has the electric motor. Actually, wait a sec. Let me just check, make sure we close it all the way. There we go, I think. Wait. So right away we are greeted to a very comfortable, cozy interior with a good amount of space, comfy seats. We have the wireless charger here and the older xDrive system. It's very easy to use. We got the navigation, the safety systems, collision mitigation, lane departure, blind spot. And I love BMW's blind spot. When you put on a blinker and there's a car, it gives you a little vibration in the wheel. We got a heated steering wheel, front heated seats, dual zone climate, and a gigantic panoramic sunroof, which is a very nice touch. But let's do a wiper test, a horn test, and head out. This vehicle is also equipped with Harman Kardon and a heads-up display. But we're going to keep it like this. And let's turn on RaceBox 2. The interior here is very quiet. Excellent soundproofing. Great pickup from this inline 6. And surprisingly, it has excellent handling for an SUV. Like, you could even say it drives like a sedan. Phenomenal stability. But let's head on out here and do our acceleration test real quick. All right, so come to a full stop. All right, 3, 2, 1, let's go. Thinks for a second and then we're going. There was some kind of delay at the beginning. I've noticed it with some of the brand new BMWs. When they're not broken in, they have that little delay. But still, we did 5.5 seconds, and then to 60 and 5.62 to 100. It's very similar to the M340i that I just tested. We did, I think, 5.3 to 60 on that same part of the road. This also has the adaptive dampers, so we're going to go back to comfort. Enjoy the comfy ride. Overall, excellent ride. It rides butter smooth. You don't feel the speed, and it's got so much low end torque. Not even pressing the gas, and we're up and running in comfort. Now, this specific vehicle does come with the run flat tires, I believe, and the smaller wheels. If I was equipping one for myself, I would definitely go with the larger blacked out or just the regular 20-inch wheels. I think they are the best in terms of looks and drivability. I'm not a fan of the smaller wheels. And if color-wise, either Brooklyn gray or just the black on black, or black on red, actually, that'd even be better. I like the heads-up display here. It's very easy to see. Excellent readout. Speed shows the speed limits and other information, whichever you would need. You can also put in the sport displays too. And I did turn off the sound, the icon sounds. good. It doesn't, you don't even feel the speed here because it sits higher than per se an M340i. It sits much higher than like per se a low sports car, so it doesn't give you that close to the ground feeling. So all the speed that you're building, you don't even feel like you're building the speed. You're like, you look down, you're already going 75, 80 when you were just going 40 per se. This is really impressive. Let's see what we can do. I'm gonna see if the car picks up any better this time, because when I did it the first time, it did think for a little bit. All right, so let's come here. All right, come to a full stop. 3, 2, 1, let's go. Oh, there we go. There we go, 5.02 to 60. I think that is great, but let's do one more time. Let's come to a full stop. All right, 3, 2, 1. Oh, nope. Oh, punch is hard. But we'll do one more iteration. We'll give it one more try. We'll see if we can do any better this time. But still, 5.02, just pedal to the metal. That's very impressive. We didn't have a chance to do our 0 to 60 here. It's okay. I think we could have done like a 4.9. But it's okay. We're going to get the car warmed up, ready for action. And the next one we're going to do we're going to do boosted start. All right. Booster up. Let's go. Oh, wow. Wow, excellent. And we did 0 to 60 in 4.68 seconds. The 0 to 100 came in 4.93. And the 1/8 mile came in at 8.47. Now I will say, to be fair, the launch mode wasn't very brutal right now. Like the jolts, they're usually much stronger on these cars. But this time it had like very smooth shifts, and we trapped 84.2. I think we could have done better. Definitely could have done a better time, maybe like 4.3, 4.4, 4.2. But like I said, these cars, some of them really need to be broken in first. This car has, let's see how many miles, 22 miles, yeah. The cars that usually show better times are the ones that have more miles on the odometer and usually the best gas. But not bad for a first attempt, not bad.
If possible, make a legal U-turn onto Virginia 123 South. In 1/4 mile, turn right at the second traffic light onto Virginia.
So as far as the iDrive systems, I have to say I actually like both a lot. This system is very nice because it has the physical buttons here, although the new one has some cool gadgets too. Personally, I'd be happy with either system. I don't really have a big preference one over the other, and I also like the fact that here we have a physical shifter that we can use. But look at how responsive the gas here is. And for a SUV, there's virtually no body roll, which is absolutely incredible. And it also has like a playful rear too, so when you're taking a corner and you let off the gas, the car goes into the corner. It's a surprisingly quiet car, and the soundproofing, like I said, is top-notch. Very quiet in the cabin. But if we were to go to settings and do per se our sound, we would do engine sound, we would do, depending on driving mode, this is where the car gets really loud. So you can keep it in any mode that you prefer. I mean, I personally like it when it's quiet, but this does give you an extra like feeling of fast, I guess. It gives you that drive. But once you turn off the sound, you do realize how quiet. Well, thank you so much for watching, everyone. I hope you all enjoyed this test drive, had some fun. Overall, I gotta say, I love the X4. Definitely one of my all-time favorite rides. It's just such a unique car. It really puts in a lot of cars into one car, like a luxury cruiser, a sporty sedan, an SUV, everything. It's like everything in one. It's like a Swiss Army knife. And I love the infotainment, I love the seats, excellent. Now, this is more comfort oriented. If you want a more sporty feeling, like a car that is like really sporty and sits low to the ground, then just go for the M340i or M440i. This is more of a comfortable touring cruiser with very good handling and an ambitious powertrain that allows you to do what you want to do. And it stands out much more than a regular 3 Series. So if you get this, like per se, with black exterior, black rims, and tinted up with a black grille, this car is going to really stand out. People are going to be looking at you. Some will love it, some will not love it, but it still attracts attention either way. Well, make sure to smash that like and subscribe button. Let me know your thoughts in the comments down below, and until next time.